Yeah, I have vacation this week and next week, so
Good for you.
yeah.
All right, we are live, so we will get started. Good morning, everyone, and I'm going to call the Greater Boroughs Partnership for Health meeting to order. It's June 23rd, 9:03 a.m. My name is Isabella. I'm the chair of the Greater Boroughs Partnership for Health. The open meeting of the the Greater Boroughs Partnership for Health is being conducted remotely, consistent with Chapter 2 of the Acts of 2025, relative to extending certain COVID-19 measures adopted during the state of emergency. The public is encouraged to follow along using the posted agenda, and those who wish to view the live stream can do so at the YouTube link on the agenda. Ensuring public access does not ensure public participation unless such participation is required by law, and this meeting will not feature public comment. So with that, members, when I call your name, please respond in the affirmative. So Westboro?
Present.
Southboro?
Here.
And Northborough here, Isabella. So thank you all so much for pulling together this very last minute meeting. So last meeting we had approved the budget, which was great. I had reached out to Sam and VNA and they had a last minute discussion or conversation, and they had sent out the contracts, and it was $6,480 higher than they had originally gave me at the end of April. So the new contract is $71,280 for 30 hours. So that breaks down into about $45 an hour, which is still pretty reasonable in my opinion. So it did go up 10%, but it hasn't increased in the last couple years. So we just need to decide whether we want to change the Public Health Excellence Grant or put this overage, that $6,500, onto contact tracing and keep PHE the same.
Don't we have a problem spending contract tracing money at the end of the year? Yeah, that's my suggestion, is I move the amount of the difference with the previous contract to the contract tracing grant.
Second.
Okay.
You've never played her?
Any discussion?
No,
Okay.
there's no discussion, right? Chelsea doesn't have discussion.
Are you together?
Yeah, we're golfing together.
Okay. All those in favor, Southborough?
Yes.
Westboro?
Yes.
All right, and Northborough, yes. So what I will do, we will keep the Public Health Excellence Grant budget the same. We were actually the first, I think, SSA to submit our work plan and budget. So that's currently being reviewed by DPH, and we will get feedback in the next couple of weeks. And then once the contact tracing asks for a budget, it's a less formal process, but we will include that overage onto that budget.
Great.
Any questions about budget, work plan, end of fiscal year?
No.
Okay, and then Jen, are you guys going to MIHA? Do you know the Yankee?
No, Ray is, but unfortunately Marie and I cannot go.
Okay, all right, sounds
Sorry
good.
if I didn't respond to you, Michaela.
I know it's crazy. You're good.
And I think we already paid Ray, so that is all set. But yeah, if anything comes up in the next 7-ish days, let us know, but we will be working to close out the fiscal year and make sure the grant gets closed up.
Great.
Awesome. Thank you.
Of course. Thanks. Motion to adjourn?
I make a motion to adjourn the meeting.
Second.
All those in favor, Westboro?
Yes.
Southboro?
Yes.
Northboro, yes. Okay, thank you so much. I know this was quick and last minute, but I appreciate it.
Thank you, everyone.